Hi babes, it's David here, and I'm with Ash.
Hi guys.
Our celebrity makeup artist, and we are going to do some questions. Are you ready?
Should I be nervous?
I mean, you might. We're getting like deep down and personal.
Let's get it.
All right, so question number one. How long have you been a makeup artist?
I've been a makeup artist for about a little bit over a decade, so I'm really sharing my age. You too?
Yes.
No way. I
We're
love
already
it.
in sync. Look at that. What is your favorite cocktail?
Oh God, favorite cocktail. I feel like I always go with like the OG vodka tonic with a little lime. If I'm gonna drink, I don't drink often, but when I do, no calories.
That's
you
right,
know?
clean and simple.
Yeah.
I'm on kind of the same path. I do a Moscow Mule.
Oh, you strike me as that. I like
Don't
that.
I? I mean,
Yeah.
a little ginger has a little spice to
I
it.
live for that.
I know, me too, right?
That's a good one.
All right, next is your favorite song.
I feel like my song changes by the day because I work with so many different musicians, but right now I'm loving Camila Cabello, her new song, My Oh My, featuring The Baby. So good. Have
One
you
of your
heard
clients.
it? One of my clients. Have
Fabulous.
you heard it? You gotta listen to it. It's so good.
I'm downloading it right now.
Done.
As we speak. Okay. All right, next is most recent Netflix.
Wait, what's your song?
I think Whitney Houston, Kygo, Higher Love.
Classic.
It's so good, right? It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
Do you feel like too, like whenever you do makeup, do you like to listen to music? Like
Love to listen to music. I feel like it just kind of changes the energy in the room.
100%.
I always prefer something upbeat because I feel like my hand moves faster.
Right.
But I go based off of whatever my clients are feeling.
I'm the same way. I feel like it like helps you like channel like your creativity. Like music, it kind of like hits all sensory points.
Yeah, I feel like you can just get into it.
What is your most recent Netflix binge?
I'm really liking Dollface on Hulu,
Ooh.
Shay Mitchell's show.
Okay.
So good. It's such like a girl's chick show to watch, you know? I just watch it right before I'm about to go to bed, and it's just something easy and fun to get into. It kind of reminds me of like Mean Girls, Pretty Little Liars, if they all had a baby. But better, honestly. It's so good.
Yeah, I know. It's
so
like
good.
it's like now, right?
Yeah.
What I actually do.
I'm like binging that right now.
This is how in sync you and I are.
Are we the same
well, I
person?
just started watching You, which has Shay in it as well. I'm like, I know, I'm late to the party.
It's okay, you'll catch up. You'll get to
But
Dollface.
it's so good.
Yeah.
I'm like so binging
It's really
it.
good.
Have you seen Insatiable?
No.
Oh my god, you have to see
Okay,
that
I'll
one. That
watch
one
that
I kind of powered through
I
that
feel like we
one.
have the same thing, so
Totally.
I'll watch that one too.
All right, ultimate boss babe.
I work with so many of them, so I would probably have to go with the matriarch, Kris Jenner, for sure.
If I could imagine the ultimate boss babe, it would 100% be Kris Jenner.
Oh yeah. Hands down. She's taught me
iconic.
so much. I look up to her in so many ways. And she's my boss and also another mom to me, and honestly I love her.
Yeah.
So much.
I mean, there's no one who can top Kris Jenner,
Yeah.
right? All right, so what is the next place you want to visit?
Next place I want to visit, there's a lot on my bucket list, but I have been dying to go to Morocco and also Thailand.
Nice.
Like, it's really hard to choose.
Oh my
I
God.
love to travel. It's like one of my favorite things to do when I get the time off.
Both
Love
of
seeing
those-
different parts of the world, so
Those
those are on my list. Yeah. What about you?
I want to do Greece because you told me you're like, you have to go.
Santorini.
So,
Have to.
done.
Have to.
I'm booking it.
Let's go.
After this, I'm booking it.
Yeah, we need a vacay.
Most frequently used emoji.
I would probably have to go with the hard eyes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I use the hard
Sounds like
eyes.
your husband.
I don't know, I always send the hard eyes one. I just love that one. I don't know, it's just
Yeah.
very me.
Mine's the one that's like laughing with the tears coming out the side. All right, last thing you ordered off of Amazon.
Lately, my purchases have been really makeup related and so boring. I think I got like a 300 pack of mascara wands for my kid because I'm so tired of like buying more mascara wands. So I bought like 300 and I still feel like that's not enough. It came in the mail and it was like this big. And I was like, how is this 300? So I got that. I'll probably order more. And then I also got a power bank because I leave them at all of my clients' houses and I never see them again. So
Absolutely.
I keep
You ain't
ordering
getting
like
them
those
back.
power bank chargers.
Oh, totally. They're probably
Yeah.
like, oh, this is mine.
Yeah, like don't even know that I left it. Like I don't know what you're talking about.
They probably have
Buy
so
another
many
one.
too.
Yeah,
you know what I
collection
mean?
of my chargers. They always ask to borrow them.
I mine was makeup too. It was brush cleaner.
Brush cleaner.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Some
Do you buy like 5 at a time?
I got 2 this time.
Yeah.
I kind of curbed it.
Expensive.
They're just massive and they're hard to travel
Yeah,
with.
totally.
But it's a major
So brush
necessity.
cleaner.
Oh,
Nice.
absolutely.
We're such makeup artists.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's
my
nothing
God.
like fabulous, like, oh, I got this really cool, like, whatever. It's like, it's the essentials.
Yeah,
to
the essentials.
To the
That's what
kit.
it's all about. Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for letting me ask you questions.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
What should we do next? We're in
I
this
mean,
bathroom right now.
We're gonna jump in the tub.
We're gonna go
so
take a bubble bath. See you
you
guys later. Bye.